But not for real, guys. Am I the only person to drive hoodless from Florida to Texas? So we are in San Antonio, y'all. Oh, look at GT. What's going on, YouTube? KR back over here. All right, so it's Thursday. We're gonna go to San Antonio and get the hood. I am driving my only car, the Ford Mustang. If I had a pickup truck, I would just drive the pickup truck there. It's so fun in that. I mean, like, come on, let's drive the drift car. Drive the drift car with the wise fam, you know, it's all dialed in, aligned, ready. It's gonna be a fun ride. I'm gonna record everything, and you guys are gonna see it all. We're gonna see what happens. We made it to Ocala. Just made a little pit stop, Shell gas station. Got an energy drink, walking over to the car. So far the car is performing really well. Tire wear is good. Look at it. All right, so we're in Tallahassee now. Yo, I got an oil leak right here. I got an oil leak right here. That is bad. I gotta check my oil level. 4 or 5 hours into the drive, and yeah, heard a little bit of noise in the rear. I don't know if the differential is leaking right now, so I don't know if something happened. If it did, I was on the phone with Kara and she heard it too. It was that loud. We're gonna have to fill up over here because Pensacola is like 2 hours away. I'm gonna check my oil level. I had to take a rest. I stopped at this rest stop right here, like probably like maybe 90 miles from freaking Pensacola. You see the car right there? It's kind of dark, but closed for cleaning. Really? Somebody's in there cleaning? At this time? Car's driving fine. I'm leaking oil at the differential. And not good, not good. We made it to Alabama. Whew. Still got like shit. I think it's a 12-hour drive. We're in Buc-ee's. Obviously it's cold. I have to bring a jacket. So this is the issue we're having. Oil leaking out of this. I'm just gonna get analyzed. Do all this thing. But this is temporary. So look, leaking out of here is just spewing oil all up on the windshield. All up on the windshield. I have to do something about that. So I'm gonna put some gas in this brisket because I'm starving, and then hit the road. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button so you don't miss any more future content. Daylight, we are in Louisiana. I'm one state away from Texas. So this oil thing is pissing me off. Oil spewing on the freaking windshield. So I'm like, you know what? That's it. I'm just gonna put this thing back to stock. And yeah, I'm gonna put it back to stock so I don't have to worry about it. Look at this. So I'm gonna connect this to this, and then delete the, and then connect this to that, and delete the whole freaking system entirely. Just take it out, and when I get AN fittings and AN lines all around. So like ever since I did that, there's oil leaking from here, you know, and it's freaking annoying. Like, bro. And hoodless don't help because then the oil just now it's daylight. I'm gonna see some POV footage. Yeah, we're at O'Reilly's. People looking like me like, what the freak is that? Oil right now. Let's get started. Flathead screwdriver. This, wipe it back, put it right back to stock. Yo. Yo, I knew I should have got one longer. Yeah, no time for this. I'm gonna run like that for now. That's fine. start her up. All right, let's go. Yeah, this drive's been so freaking crazy, man. Like, I never did a drive this long before, like by myself, especially with my drift car. You know, it's always been just either with other people, you know, or just flying. With me, it's my first time. Especially hoodless, it's crazy. Everybody's like, why are you going hoodless, man? Come on, you can't do that. Like, what if something happens? I'm just that wild, bro. School zone. Yeah, y'all enjoy the ride. We're like by New Orleans right now. That's where we're at. But not for real, guys. Am I the only person to drive hoodless from Florida to Texas? At least 4 states? I got to be. I don't think nobody's crazy enough to do this, to be honest. My girl's like, yo, you are crazy. My parents were like, you're crazy. You're crazy to do that. My mom was like, what is wrong with you? I'm like, oh, actually, I gotta go to the show, actually. You know what? Let's go here. I'm gonna go for the pink one. My Bucky's jacket got dirty. Kara's gonna freaking be like, you already dirty it? It hasn't been freaking 4 hours. Yeah. Let's look and see. Everything all good. Nah, I'm good, brother. Yeah. Standard 5.0. Yeah. Huh? I mean, the oil pump gears and some billet stuff inside, but for the most part, stock. It's tuned, but that's about it. Thank you, bro. It's the angle kit I got. Yeah. Yeah. I drove this thing from Florida. What's up? I drove this thing from Florida. Oh, really? Yeah. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you.
This is blowing his mind right now.
Yeah.
They've never seen nothing like that.
Oh, yeah? Never?
They're from a village.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, man.
You heard it like, wow.
Look, let me show you.
Okay. You on Instagram?
Yeah, I got Instagram too.
I do too. I'm an artist.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Check me out. I'll follow you back. Okay. Is that how you lost your front?
No, somebody actually hit me.
No fucking way. Don't you hate when it's not your fault?
Yeah, and I was driving to school and he just boom. Hit me.
Damn. I do graffiti and spray paint, so.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Imagine like a graffiti wrap on this stuff. You know what? I'm just gonna go with my notes.
Yeah, put it
in my
there.
Notes, and then I will. What's your name?
I'm Jay.
Jay.
Yep. And then SIK 816.
816.
SIK after that. Very nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you, Kevin.
Hopefully you connect.
Yeah, for sure. All right, y'all. Let's hit the road because we are still 8 hours away from our destination. So 8 hours away. Yeesh. Angle though. Baton Rouge. Yeesh. say maybe like 50 miles from the Texas border, 60 miles. But I still got a 6-hour drive. Car's been good, you know, been intact, nothing crazy. That's got to be old oil. This is -9 camper, driving almost 1,000 miles already. If I get 1,000 likes on this video, I'll do crazier trip. You guys give me 1,000 likes, yo, that would be crazy. We're about to hit the road. I just have to use the bathroom and get energy drinks. I care about the car, just about to go out there, so. Any calls. We are back. We made it to Texas.
Michelangelo has put as much attention into the Michelangelo has put as much attention.
As you can see, you got the star, and then you got the car. Star, car. Get it? I'm not funny. But yeah, car did well. Like I said, 1,000 likes. 1,000 likes. I'll do a similar video like this. Take care, bro. Drive safe. A lot of people love the car. One guy was like, man, you gotta get that car looking right. I'm trying to do. That's why I'm making this trip. Make it look right. I gotta put the hood on it. I looked up on YouTube. I don't think anybody has done this. Hoodless drive, like out of state. I'm sure they did like 24 hours, like in the city or whatever. Maybe in the state. I across Alabama, Mississippi, and freaking Louisiana. We still got 300 miles to go. Go to Houston and then go to San Antonio. Stop. In San Antonio, y'all. Oh, look at GT. Yeah, y'all, I'm like dead tired. I drove like 25, 26 hours on the road driving. I am dead tired. Only like a couple hours of sleep on 3 energy drinks and coffee. So yeah, I'm like done. I might just cut the video right now. Y'all have a good one. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for joining me. Stay tuned. Peace.
The gun range.
Oh,
Right there is where you hear all that shooting, right there where that berm is.